Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to delve into a common issue for maintenance and operations teams, lubricating bearings. We'll unmask the pitfalls of under-lubrication and over-lubrication and introduce you to the game-changing strategy of shifting from a time-based process to a data-based approach. We'll also reveal how using ultrasound equipment, particularly with a CMMS, can elevate your predictive maintenance strategy. So stay tuned to find out how you can optimize your lubrication processes and increase the lifespan of your assets. Now let's dive right into the main problem many maintenance teams face. Either there's too much or too little lubrication in bearings. When there's not enough, harmful levels of friction and excess wear can occur. Conversely, if there's too much, it can prevent the rolling parts from functioning correctly. Many maintenance teams have a routine lubrication schedule, but this time-based system isn't always the best solution. It often leads to over-lubrication, which is not only wasteful, but can also be harmful to the equipment. If the lubrication schedule is too infrequent, it can result in under-lubrication, causing increased friction, wear, and premature failure of the bearings. So, what's the solution? I recommend shifting from a time-based process to a data-based approach. Using ultrasound equipment, especially in conjunction with a CMMS, can be a game changer. Tracking decibel levels can provide an early warning when bearings are experiencing too much friction and therefore need lubrication. However, it's crucial not to base decisions solely on the sound of the equipment. This is another common mistake. Instead of relying on subjective interpretations of the data, it's important to track the decibel data and make decisions based on actual trends. This kind of data tracking is at the heart of predictive maintenance. By setting up ultrasound sensors on each core piece of equipment and monitoring the data, you can determine when each asset needs lubrication. This ensures you only lubricate as often as necessary, helping to extend the life of your bearings. So, to sum it all up, the key mistakes maintenance teams often make when lubricating bearings are over-lubrication, under-lubrication, basing lubrication on a schedule, and failing to track data from ultrasound measurements. To address these issues, I suggest using ultrasound to monitor decibel levels from essential pieces of equipment and lubricating whenever the decibel levels start to rise too much. By doing this, you can optimize your lubrication processes and increase the lifespan of your assets. And that's a wrap. We've covered the importance of avoiding over and under lubrication, the value of a data-based approach over a time-based one, and the role of ultrasound equipment in predictive maintenance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights like these. To learn more about our solutions for maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. See you in the next video.